Hello everyone. This is Zhaoji from GASTEK. In our previous video, we demonstrated the starting pressures when water knob is at different positions of the gas water heater with a water-gas linkage valve. As we know, even the lowest starting pressure, 0.025 MPa, might still not activate the gas water heater during peak water usage time or in high buildings. Today, our engineer will test another model that can start at super low water pressure. This model separates the water and gas paths. The middle part is the gas inlet valve, and the right part is cold water inlet. Please consult our sales representatives for its specific working principle. Next, let's see what the startup pressures will be when water knob is at different positions. First, let's see how much pressure enters the testing machine. Is the water pressure sufficient for the test? Please note that when the water adjusting handle is at the max position, the water pressure gauge displays a pressure of 0.1 megapascals. Let's adjust the water handle to the min position. The water pressure gauge displays a pressure of 0.2 megapascals. So we can conclude that the water pressure into the test bench is sufficient. Next, the engineer stops the operation of the gas water heater and the testing bench and prepares to start the water pressure test. Now, the engineer is adjusting the knob on the test bench to achieve the startup water pressure when the water handle at the max position. Wow, it's ignited right now. And the water pressure gauge displays a super low pressure of 0.01 megapascals. Let's adjust the water handle to the min position. And slowly turn the knob on the test bench. At this point, the gas water heater is ignited, and the water pressure gauge displays a pressure of 0.04 megapascals. This is the whole process of startup water pressure tests of this model. Please contact our sales via this phone number, 861-8022-023-216, WhatsApp, WeChat, for more information about it.